Hi everyone, my name is Kate. I am from Asus product marketing team. I would like to introduce about ZenBook Pro 15 with you.
Dieses Video wird euch vom Asus ZenBook Pro 15 präsentiert. Weitere Infos zum Notebook mit dem revolutionären Screenpad-Bedieninterface findet ihr in der Infokarte.
Here, as you may know, ScreenPad is very innovative design. The first touchpad launches has been very long time ago, like 1922. So we change it. We want to make it different. So we put the ScreenPad on our touchscreen, on our touchpad. And I would like to talk more about the performance. And with the performance, we make it up to Intel Core i processors, which is more powerful than i7s. And another, we add the NVIDIA graphic cards, 1050 Ti, and make it more powerful than before. We also have up to 1 TB SSD with the PCIe by 4 storage, so it may be more powerful than average. So let me quickly introduce about the ScreenPad with you. As you see, I already opened the PowerPoint, so we can use the ScreenPad to change the colors, like change the red, orange, green, and I also like to change the font size or the type, like we can make a board or make a slash, like everything we like to do. And what's more, ScreenPad can also do with the calendars. Hey, here's number keys. And we also have the calculators. We can type 222 plus blah blah blah. And what's more, we can also like the music players. We can play the music and to track the bars. And here's the calendars. It will remind you that maybe you have some activities in its coming soon. And I believe you are also excited about the ScreenPads. So if you would like to learn more about the information for ScreenPads, I believe you can check on the website. And for ScreenPads with the ZenBook Pro's launch times, we will be about Q3 and Q4. And the price will be announced later. I believe you enjoy me. So excited. Let's enjoy about ScreenPads. Thank you.